We're going to do company spotlights. We've got a whole bunch of companies we're watching. So I wanted to start with Broadcom as the first one. It's one in our primary tier of stocks. It has a market cap of over $2 trillion. It's got priced at $446 a share. Its current price earnings ratio is 87, which is pretty high. The stock has been on a tear lately. The company's been doing really well, like most of the companies that we cover. It's based in Palo Alto, California, founded in 1991. The modern Broadcom formed in 2016 with a merger with the CEO, Hock Tan. Hock Tan was born in Malaysia, Penang. I've actually been to Penang. Went to MIT, Harvard MBA. Has been active in business since 1983. I think he got active with AVGO around 2005, 2006. He's pursued an acquisition strategy that's worked out really well for the company. AVGO eventually acquired Broadcom in 2015 for $37 billion. That seems like a pretty good deal right now since it's trading at $2 trillion total. So what do? Well, outside of artificial intelligence, they design and supply semiconductors and enterprise software security solutions. Key areas include high-speed networking, storage, wireless connectivity, broadband access, infrastructure software. They serve data centers, enterprise network carriers, and consumer devices. Relative to its AI stuff, but a little bit different. It's still in the same category, though. One of the things they're known for is networking products, including the Tomahawk series of Ethernet switches. They are a dominant leader in the high-end merchant Ethernet switch silicon. Jericho 4 is a high-capacity Ethernet fabric router for distributed AI across data centers. They are the clear leader in multi-data center AI Ethernet fabrics. Broadcom is the clear #1 merchant supplier of Ethernet networking silicon for AI. Main rival is NVIDIA, which primarily serves itself, but maybe serves others related to it. Hyperscalers are shifting towards Ethernet. Hyperscalers like Amazon and Oracle and Meta and Google are shifting toward Ethernet for cost and openness reasons, and that gives Broadcom a structural advantage in the niche. Broadcom is dominant in the high-end Ethernet ASIC segment that matters most for the massive AI clusters. I think they're better known for their work in custom AI ASICs or chips. They design and help manage custom AI accelerators for hyperscalers, especially Google TPUs, Meta's new, I think it's called Media. Usually they use TSMC to make the chips. They're not a fab, they're a chip designer. Their AI related custom silicon and packaging is now more than 50% of semiconductor revenue with $73 billion backlog. They compete with NVIDIA and AMD on the GPU side, but they win on the custom merchant side, where hyperscalers want alternatives to NVIDIA's full stack. Other players exist, but they don't have Broadcom's scale, they don't have TSMC's relationship, and they don't have a proven track record with multiple major customers. This is a high margin, high growth niche where Broadcom has a strong and defensible position, and it can be arguably a problem in the supply chain. If Broadcom has a problem, that can, one of my big things is the entire AI story depends on various levels maintaining their growth. So if Broadcom stumbles, they're one of the companies. If they stumble, it could be a real big impact on growth for everyone. They have such a large position in so many different fields that if they encounter problems somewhere, it may be that it'll take a while for somebody else to catch up to the supply that's needed, not just the supply that they currently serve, but the growth that people need.